Ina Siargao. Today I am going to share my own version how I make bulalo. It comes to sinabawan or soup, we have bulalo, sinigang, tinola, etc. But bulalo is always number one to the Pinoys. So now I am going to share how I make bulalo to my children. The ingredients I need for my bulalo are, of course, the marrow meat. There's a marrow here, and that's the one giving a good flavor to the bulalo. And we need mais. I have mais here. I cut into three, the whole mais. Cabbage, tomato, potato, carrots, string beans, luya or ginger, and onion, patis, and salt, whole black pepper, and garlic, and spring onion. So now let's start making a bulalo soup, mga cooking ina. Every time I boil meat to make it tender, I always use a pressure cooker because I want to cook quickly. I have no patience waiting a long time to make it tender. But it's up to us, it's our choice, mga cooking ina. If this pressure cooker is not available in your kitchen, as I always said, we can make tender our meat in a normal pot. So I have here, so I will use mga cooking ina. So we're going to put our marrow meat here. We do like this, mga cooking ina. And we're going to add our whole black pepper and our salt. This is a rock salt. We're going to add that one. And we're going to add water, mga cooking ina. First, I'm going to put 1 liter of water. And then I boil this one in a pressure cooker for only 15 minutes. And then after 15 minutes, we're going to open it and we need to start in the next step for our recipe, making a bulalo. So I'm going to put this in the stove here. Now after we boiled our beef marrow for 15 minutes and now it's cooled down, we're going to start our next step, mga cooking ina, to our bulalo recipe. So let's start, mga cooking ina. Join with me and I cook here in front of you guys so that you can see how I make my own version of our bulalo. So we're going to start or open our pressure cooker, and our bone marrow for our bulalo is ready for the next step, mga cooking ina. So first, we're going to add olive oil. I use olive oil. Little bit of olive oil. And we're going to add our onion. Our onion, mga cooking ina, I cut it in a quarter cut like this big. So we're going to add our onion here. And we're going to add our garlic, mga cooking ina. We add our garlic. So then we're going to add our ginger, our luya. Then we're going to add our potato. And we're going to add our beef marrow, mga cooking ina. We do like this. See? Look, mga cooking ina. Our meat, it's not very much tender because we're going pa to cook here in our normal pot, mga cooking ina. Oh, it smells good. My boys loves this very much. So, like this. Oy, oy, oy. The marrow, it's look beautiful, mga cooking na. Then the stocks here, we're going to add here too. We do like this, mga cooking na. So, we covered and we let it boil for 5 minutes so that our potato will be cooked as well, mga cooking ina. Now we're going to check our bulalo, mga cooking ina. Oy, oy, oy. Oy, it's look beautiful. It smells good. So after 5 minutes, we're going to add our mais, mga cooking ina. Just do like this, one by one, before it's salbugan tanan. So we do like this. And we're going to add also our carrots. So, and we're going to add our tomato. And we mix, mga cooking na. It smells good, mga cooking na. Then we cover again for 3 minutes. We let it boil for 3 minutes so that our mais and our carrots will be cooked too. And the last we're going to add is this one here. Now, mga cooking ina, we're going to check again our bulalo. I'm not put all the ingredient in the pressure cooker because I don't want to ruin the nutrition of our vegetables, mga cooking ina, to cook in a high pressure. So, now we're going to add our fish sauce or patis, mga cooking ina. Like this. So our bulalo, mga cooking ina, is ready to serve. Then we're going to add our string beans. Do like this. And we're going to add our cabbage, mga cooking ina, our repolyo. Do like this. So, like this, mga cooking ina. Then we cover, mga cooking ina. I make a lot. We're going to cook this for a few minutes. So now our bulalo is ready. Mga cooking ina, look at that one. It's beautiful. And it smells good, mga cooking ina. So, the last we're going to add our spring onions for garnish as well in this. Ay, ay, ay. Now we're going to off our stove. So, we do like this. So we're going to plate now, mga cooking ina. We plate here like this. Oy, oy, oy. Look at our bulalo, mga cooking ina. It's look beautiful and the vegetables is beautiful too. So, like this, mga cooking ina. Then, we're going to plate this. So, vegetables is beautiful. Our meat is so tender, mga cooking ina. Look at that one. It's beautiful. Soups. So, now mga cooking ina, look, our bulalo soup is plated and ready to serve. Look mga cooking ina, it looks yummy, it smells good, and it looks healthy. This food is very good to serve to our children, mga cooking ina. And thank you very much for joining me here again in my kitchen. Hope you like my video, and please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification for more videos from me, mga cooking ina. Bye! God bless everyone!